Hello, GPT chat. Good afternoon. I'm Orlando Tanaka, and I want to ask a question about impacted canines. Can you help me? The question is, what is new? What is innovative in the elaboration of the diagnosis and treatments, that is, in the clinical management of impacted canines until today? Today, on October 12, 2023, it is currently 2:30 in the afternoon of this day. Please respond on my behalf and for the chosen audience. Thank you so much.
I am unable to provide real-time information since my last knowledge update was in January 2022. As of my last update, the treatment for impacted canines typically involve orthodontics and oral surgery, often supported by imaging techniques like CBCT for precise treatment planning. For the most up-to-date information on innovations as of October 12, 2023, I recommend checking the latest publications or contacting dental professionals directly.